Hi friends and welcome to another video of Just Being Earnest. Just a few months back, it was reported in the news that nearly 470 people lose at least 8.5 million in phishing scams involving OCBC Bank. And another news also reported that a young couple lost 120k in fake text SMSs. Due to these issues, on Monday, January 17, the Infocomm Media Authority, IMDA, urged more businesses to sign with an anti-SMS spoofing registry, which allows organizations to register SMS sender names they wish to protect from misuse. However, even with such measures and security features in place, it will never be foolproof as there's no system that's guaranteed to be 100% safe. That's why besides depending on the bank system to protect us, we must also have our own money security in place as well. Same for our own homes as well. Even though we know that Singapore is generally safe, we still lock the doors and gates in our home for extra security. Even if bank continues to send clickable links in emails and SMSs, one should always avoid clicking on it. Do make it a habit to always go directly to the bank's website or app and check for the messages. Or do make a call to the bank directly to ask and verify. In this manner, this will help to ensure that you are communicating with a real source. As the saying goes, regarding investment, one should never put all your eggs in one basket but diversify. Same goes for your money as well in your bank. You can consider having bank accounts from different banks and split your money across banks. So in the event that you let your guard down and allow a scammer to have access to your bank account, the most that you'll lose are the money in that bank and not all the money that you have, which are spread out across several banks. This is similar to the business world, which is called BCP or Business Continuity Plan, where you prepare yourself for situations where you are disrupted, but it is minimized and have recovery plans in place. Another way is to set your transfer limit to a low amount so that it's troublesome for the scammers to withdraw or transfer your money out. This may not prevent your money from getting taken away from you, but it will at least help to slow down how fast they can withdraw the money. It's like in MLBB or Mobile Legends, where you're using a character that can stun or shackle. And in the event that your teammates are getting whacked, you can stun or shackle the opponents so that it slows them down from damaging more damage to your teammates, hopefully giving your team a chance to regroup and fight back. The next method, which is unconventional, is to put your money in brokerages that can act like a bank for you. What it means is you store your money in your brokerage account like a bank. For example, there's the FSM, multi-currency cash account, where you can store your money there, and if you want to withdraw it, you can log into the platform and then withdraw out your money almost instantly. If you have a large amount of cash with no use in the next 6 to 12 months, why not consider putting it in bank's fixed deposit? It's definitely considered very safe since you can't even withdraw it yourself until the maturity date. So the scammers will also not be able to touch that money as well. It is important to be proactive on a personal level and to make the necessary precautions to prevent yourself from getting scammed. No one will be more concerned about your money other than you, so learn how to be responsible about it. Hope you learned something new today, and as always, do learn to make smarter financial decisions every day. Have a great day ahead and bye-bye.